Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome to a day. Today, in the daily newspaper of Saturday, May the 20th, 2023, we have here two regular puzzles. And those puzzles are the Medium Sudoku. And we have also a Samurai Sudoku here. Yes, the Samurai Sudoku. Five Sudokus merge into one whole big Samurai Sudoku. Yeah, I will do this on Sunday. This one I will do today, and in the newspaper we have also additional. So those puzzles and additionals I will do in the evening. But first, good morning to everyone. The medium Sudoku number 6461. 6461. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot. Yeah. Usually the medium Sudoku has 26 printed digits. This one, 29 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Easier than the 1-star Sudoku. For 1-star Sudoku, if you compare it with the 1 stars, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4-star Sudokus in additional, it's a 1-star. Well, actually, our 1-star has 27 printed digits. This one has 29. So should be easier than the 1-star. But for the 1-star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. So maybe this one, 40 minutes. I do not know, maybe 30 minutes. We will see if this is really a medium Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see, the one in this row, the one in the row below, so last row, the only 2 places left for the one should be here or there. We see a one in the last column, no one there, one should be there. Alright, we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the column next, so last column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Then the 7 in the last row, the 7 in the row above. So that row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Yeah. How about? Interesting. The 2 in this row, the 2 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Then, yeah. 2. And now, 3, 5, 9. 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9. Yeah. How about? Come on. Give a 9 here. No, 9. Thinking. Yeah. Need a 4 here. 8. Yeah. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there, so we have an 8 there. 6 there. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 6. We have a 4 and a 6 in the last column. So no 4 and a 6 in these two boxes. The 4 and a 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. So what are the other two numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. 3 is missing. The 4 and a 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Let me mark those two boxes. That means in the last column we have 2 missing numbers now. And those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in the last row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9, 9, okay. 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers are left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. That means we have a 6 in one of those two boxes in this column. So this box can be 6 and more. This box should be a 4, and that box should be a 6. Yes. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in the third row. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 1 goes there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be there, 1, 1. Then, let me see. 9, the 9 should be here also. 8 should be here. I need a 5. 5. 2 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this row, first row, 3 in the second row. So third row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column. So no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3. Need a 3 here. How about a 4? 4. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 4. We have a 4 in the first column, so no 4 in these two boxes. So 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those two boxes in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. So we have an 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And we still have 2 missing numbers, the 3 and the 5. Alright. Need an 8 here. 8. Yeah. Thinking. 2. Yeah. 2 in the first column. 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the third row. So no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the third row. 2 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 2. Alright. 1. No. Then, how about the 4? Then, yeah, 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, there are only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in the first column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 4. We have a 4 now in the second column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. Now I can count, and all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 4. Right. Then, which number can I pick? 5, 5. And 5, 9, and 8. 8, 8. 2, 3. How about the 3? No, still I cannot use the 3. 3, 3, 3. Yes. 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3 and a 6, we have a 3 now in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 3, 3, okay. 3, 3. Oh wait. But 8 then. 8, 8, okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 in the first row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So we have a pair. Yeah. The 3 and the 5 in the third column. The 3 and the 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 3 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. So 1 number left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have an 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in the middle column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 9 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in the third row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 7 in this column. 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see here 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. And look, we have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then 1 number left in, no, we have a 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers, the 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5, we have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. One box left in the middle row for the number 3 now. Okay, one box left in this big square for number 5. And the final two numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be in, the 3 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well, maybe I talked too much in the beginning, but yeah, 50 minutes, definitely a 1 star. Alright, thank you for watching. Yeah, in the beginning I have a little bit troubles, but we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with other puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye for now.